Hi and welcome friends to this video. Today I will show you how to cancel your web free trial. So friends, the first step you need to do, open the web app, and this is the first step you need to do, friends. After open up, go directly to your membership, guys. Look for membership option, as you can see on the screen. Go to membership. After go to membership, friends, click membership and follow the app cancellation flow to initiate your return. Download the provided return labels QR code to be scanned by the carriers, and then mail your return within 7 days for requesting the return label to avoid any change. Just download provided label QR code to be scanned by their carriers and then mail your return within 7 days of requesting. Or you can request from web support, submit a request. Let's for the subject here, cancel free trial. From here, write your descriptions and write your email address. Write your this option membership or cancel or membership or from membership. Now this one cancellation. Write cancellation request free trial here. Cancel free trial and then submitting your cancel. This is how you can do, guys. I hope this video helpful for you. Don't forget to give a like and give share this video for more.